Next, we're going to move on to the final drive. So this just requires a T45 for the drain plug, and then a 6mm hex for the fill cap. I've got these O-rings and these washers, which I believe one goes up top, one goes in the bottom. Same process, just drain the old fluid, replace the washer if necessary on the drain plug, and then fill it up with the syringe and put the new O-ring on the fill cap. This should be the easiest part because you don't even have to get under the bike. It's very obvious and available on the side of the bike over here if you take the bag off especially. So we'll get to it and see what happens. See, here's the fill plug right over here. The drain plug's down up under here, kind of on a sort of an extended thing off of this wheel. And I'll try to take a picture with the phone.